Welcome back, everyone, to Acolyte Holocron. Darth Ryko here. So, you notice my sabers are in pieces. And I'm going to tell you why. Through the custom saber group, I met a friend who lives about 20 minutes away from me. I honestly didn't know there were any other saber people in Massachusetts, New Hampshire area, so it was good to find out. I had nice close neighbor to duel with. He came over today. We talked about some saber stuff. Talked about Saber Legion. Had a nice time. We were outside and we were dueling. A little practice dueling, not full on because we don't really have gear. So, I mean, he had some padded gloves that were really nice, and that's about as far as we had for gear. So we took it really easy on each other, but pretty sure he kicked my butt. Anyway, whilst dueling, I noticed that my LED had stopped working. So I'm like, I hope my LED isn't gone bad again, because that's happened before. So take my saber inside, me and him are taking it apart, and we're like, okay, swap it out. We'll put the indigo LED in this one. As you can tell, that works. Took that out, put the green LED in, worked just as fine as well. So we're thinking maybe it's a battery, because it is kind of cold out. It was snowing outside while we were dueling. It's a little afternoon, maybe 1 o'clock. So very bright, snow everywhere. So we're thinking, maybe the battery got too cold to be working. Again, plugged it in. I tried different battery, put it in, still wouldn't work. So, come to find out, if you look real close, you can see that the pin of the switch came off. See this pin? That is the quick connect pin that is supposed to connect to the switch. Somehow during dueling, I don't know if this piece came loose and that popped out, but anyway, it was a real minor fix. So anyway, guys, that is like a great part of why I love ASP parts, because you can take your saber apart, diagnose the problem, and that's another great thing about quick connects as well. Kind of a downside to quick connects is they do come apart. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope to have both my sabers put back together in a few moments, but that's a lesson for today. When dueling and you have an ASP or ASP, however you want to say it, and something stops working, go ahead, take it apart, and come to find out it's probably going to be something really stupid. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm done rambling. I gotta upload this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. This is Darth Ryko from Acolyte Holocron. See you later, guys.